going to attempt to do Layla's Trad Goth makeup today. I have our tutorial pulled up here, so we're gonna try our best. I only want Layla's makeup tutorial because Allahumma barik, Allahumma barik, Allahumma barik. Her makeup has saved me multiple times. I'm actually so excited because I wanted to do Trad Goth makeup for so long, guys, and I finally got the white concealer. This is just from LA Colors. I hope it works. I hope it works. But yes, let's get into it. The first step is to glue down the eyebrows. I don't have glue, like a fucking idiot. Honestly, my eyebrows are pretty flat, so we're gonna just hope for the best. She did say to put on moisturizer, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm also gonna put some Aquaphor on top because I have some really dry spots, especially down here. Next, we're gonna put on some primer. I'm using e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I'm actually so nervous. Oh my god. Okay. Bismillah, bismillah. I'm gonna use my mirror to help see. Okay. Under here, on my eyebrow. Honestly, it's kind of nice that I have no eyebrows. It'll make this a lot more easier, I hope. Just push it everywhere as much as I can. Put on my mustache. Guys, I literally forgot to wet my sponge, so I'm gonna go do that and then we're gonna blend. All right, I got my blender. We're gonna start blending. I figured out the secret to not have smile lines, and it's that I lately don't have much of a reason to smile anymore. Oh my god, I'm white. This is uncanny.
It's my blood.
Wait, matter of fact, where's my wand? A boy who lives comes to die. Oh my god, so I'm gonna set my face with some setting spray. I am using Morphe, and I also got into Morphe because of Layla, because again, in Layla we trust. She said for the foundation, we're basically gonna mix the white concealer with the primer, and then we have a foundation. I'm gonna use kind of a lot because I want to make sure that I cover everything. We're gonna look as white as possible. Uncle Ruckus would be proud. My foundation is ready. Then we're gonna slap some on here. I'm trying to make sure I don't get it on my clothes. Is it just me, or do you guys get runny noses when you guys do makeup? Because I get horrendous runny noses when I do makeup, and it genuinely pisses me off because it'll be right as I'm about to finish. Now I'm gonna blend and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna take some setting powder, the translucent ones. This one is by Wet n Wild, and I'm just gonna put it all over my face. I decided to FaceTime one of my besties to show the progress, and she proceeded to screenshot the fuck out of my face. And I'm like, at least wait until I'm done. Guys, why is it fucking turning? Oh my god, guys. Why is it turning brown? Guys, I'm using the freaking triangle that I use for the rest of my face. I'm fucking dumb. I don't have a clean one, so I'm just gonna have to be very careful. It looks white on camera, but then in real life, it looks brown. Like a little bit of brown. Shake some new ones. I'm gonna try to, oh my god, I'm fucking covered. At this point, I should have used some damn baby powder, just like my relatives. It's on. Really, look at my shirt, guys. Look at this. Literally, look at my skirt, guys. Literally, look at this. Look. Let me see. I wonder if she said to blend it. Did she say blend?
It doesn't matter because I'm gonna put on so much eyeliner that you're not even gonna be able to tell.
I guess I'm not supposed to let it bake. I'm supposed to just like go in and blend it. So that's what I'm going to do. To tell on my forehead. You can see it on my freaking forehead. My life, bro. It should be fine because I'm gonna wear an undercap on top, but maybe I can, let me see if I can fix it. I'm literally just using my freaking fingers. It probably shouldn't matter because we're gonna be putting eyeliner there, but I also am just a perfectionist, so. Okay, I think we got it. We're good. We're gonna set it and then we're gonna do the eye makeup. I'm not excited to do it, but we're gonna do it. All right, one layer. Ooh, I should not have done that. Now I'm gonna do the eyeliner part, and if I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I am not excited to do this part because I'm actually really bad at eyeliner. I'm gonna use this like e.l.f. liquid liner because All my liners just keep drying out.
I start off with a huge wing, but instead of like how you would draw your normal wing, you're gonna draw it more upwards.
Bismillah, guys. Pray for me, guys, please. Actually, I'm gonna need, so we're gonna start off with a wing. We're gonna bring it up a little bit. I got this part. I'm gonna fold it and bring it down. I feel like I'm fucking doing surgery, guys. Oh my God. This is what I got so far. We're gonna make it work. I'm gonna fill it and then attempt to do the same on the other eye. Guys, I literally fucked up the wing liners, but we're gonna make it work.
Oh my God.
Literally forgot to get matte black lipstick, like the liquid one that she has. I do have this one. We're gonna just use that.
It's matte black lipstick, and I'm gonna put it here.
I should just put it on where my eyebrows are. I don't think this is working. I think I'll have better luck with the eyeliner. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's working, but not as like quick as I wanted. So I think I'll have better luck with my eyeliner. I'm not doing something right. Why does this not look good? I'm gonna try to brush it out. I think I understand why she said use a like matte black lipstick, because this is not blending at all. Maybe I'm gonna try this again. Oh my God, yo, what the fuck? Girl, how did I go from this to this? I'm embarrassed. I'm gonna try to maybe redeem myself. If I like bring the eyeliner part up a little bit. I'm not that good at makeup, guys. Especially eye makeup. That's like the one thing that I'm very bad at.
What is that?
Fixed it. Not it keep falling. Not it. Not the mirror keeps falling. I can't speak English. I'm gonna just try to do something in the under eye part.
Black lipstick again, but because I want to buff it this way.
I am going to use some Indicool under my eyes. Just like make it extra buffy. Yeah, we're gonna try to save this look. It's not too bad. Okay, we kind of added it. Take this and buff it this way. Oh, actually, that doesn't look so bad. Look, that doesn't look so bad. That doesn't look so bad. Okay, I fucked it up because I decided to add a little bit more, but that's fine.
Putting out all the parts that are just like way too strong, just to make it all.
To buff it out using this Morphe palette in the shade, I'm pretty sure it's a black one. In the shade, Call Me a Car.
What did she say?
Call Me a Car. What even is this name? I mean, I'm gonna attempt this train egg on the other side. Why the fuck did I give myself a unibrow? Guys, I fucking gave myself a unibrow. What do I even do with this? What do I even do with this? Oh my God, is this even worth saving? My days. The only positive thing that's come out of this makeup is literally these that I've got. This is what I'm telling you, I'm actually so bad at eye makeup in general. I'm very bad at it. I know it seems like I could do eyeliner from like videos and stuff, but guys, I literally have to like practice upon practice. I'm gonna try to just buff out these. Wait, though, it's kind of cool though. I can't lie. Okay, it's not too bad. I just kind of wish I fixed this middle part. Maybe I can like go back with some white. I'm gonna try to take a bit of powder and just try to put it in the middle to kind of like unseparate the unibrow real quick. Okay. Okay. It's not the best, but it's not that bad. Like, it's really not that bad. It's, for my first time, it's not that bad. I'm gonna add the eyeliner, which is just going to be like 2 straight lines. I'll be right back. Don't fuck this up. 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 Is one of the eyebrows bigger than the other?
Yes, neighbor.
What do you? Oh, yeah. Oh. I just undid all my fucking work in unseparating this. So we're gonna. Annyeonghaseyo. Ooh, carved nose. You fresh from head to toe. You fresh from head to toe. Annyeonghaseyo. You fresh from head to toe. You fresh from head to toe.
Yes, neighbor.
We're gonna move on. We're going to add mascara, and I used 2, both from Essence. One is for length, one is for volume. Okay, I put on my mascara. Next, she said to take some black eyeshadow. We're gonna contour our nose. I do kind of like a button nose. Honestly, the more I look at this, the more I'm starting to feel like the Corpse Bride. I don't know. Ooh, actually, I don't hate the nose. I actually don't hate the little button I did. Okay, bring it up here. Ooh, actually, the nose is not too bad. Actually, guys, I don't hate the nose. The nose is actually not bad at all. I'm going to contour the sides. Burning candle, I can feel no pain. If you cut me with a knife, it's still the same. And I know her heart is beating, and I know that I am dead. Yet this pain here that I feel, try and tell me it's not real. Yet it seems that I still have some tears to shed.
Clap, clap, clap.
Alright, got it on. I feel fucking dead actually. This is actually kind of cool. Align the lips. I actually just added my lips, guys, off camera, and actually, guys, this is not bad at all. I'm actually not mad at it. Like, the eye makeup could definitely use some work, but this is not bad at all. And I was debating if I wanted to put on lashes, but I think I will. I'm gonna wear these like manhwa lashes. So I'll be right back. So here are the lashes on. I decided to skip the bottom lashes because I didn't really like how they looked. She used like fake piercing jewelries, but I unfortunately don't have any. So we're gonna use these face gems. Here are my gems. I'm gonna set my face and then put on the outfit. This is the final results. Honestly, it turned out a lot better than I thought it would be. I'm sorry, y'all. I just have really runny noses. Oh my god, that's the part I can't stand when I do full coverage. Like, I always get a runny nose. I definitely had a lot of fun with this style. This style is definitely so cute. Shout out to my girl Layla, because I would have not done this without her. Like, thank you, girly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please let me know if you have any other video suggestions, like other makeup styles or other fashion styles that I should try. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.